are extremely sensitive to the environment around them, and negative social conditions, and result in complexities and personalities disorders in their future life. Could Huzur explain how these unintentional disorders and consider with they conflict with Islamic teachings?
I understood the first part all right. That was the basis for the question, but I could not understand the question itself. What I understood from your wording is that environments do play a role in the upbringing of children, right? And children are especially sensitive to the environments. And in the present day situation, the environments are bad, and they exert an evil influence over the children. Am I right up to here? The last part of the question was, how far it is against the Islamic teaching?
Yes.
How can it be against Islamic teaching? That is why I didn't understand the question. I agree with everything you have stated, but I do not agree that any question arises out of this.
This question comes from some. How these unintentional disorders are considered when they conflict with Islamic teachings?
Unintentional disorder cannot be brought into consideration. So the question is based on something which is exactly right. But he has tried to create a question out of that. Very cleverly, you know, he goes around it and tries to make a question. It does not arise. When it's unintentional, what can we do about it? No intentional effort on our part, no intentional action on our part, it becomes answerable in the sight of Allah. So that's that. Please.